In this tutorial, we will talk about independent object. In the Surface Modeler tutorial, we've created a model of this ship.
So what we're gonna do in this bit is we're gonna animate our ship. Okay, so this is a ready model I made.
Here you can find all the parts.
So I'll select all parts of the ship and I'll group them together.
Go to Utilities, choose Group Objects. Let's rename it. Now cut out the ship and move it over to the first projection scene.
Keep in mind that in this copy of the projection, only animated objects should stay.
Sea, rocks, and sky should be in the second projection copy.
Okay, let's select our ship and try to move it. As you can see, nothing happens.
The model moves, but it does so without texture. So let's apply independent object.
Try to move it again. Good, now it's moving.
You can move the model forward and even rotate it if you wish. So that's a very cool and useful feature. If your projection image contains a ship, let's say a car or some other object, then you can easily animate it and make it more rich and realistic. So let's open our projection image menu and edit the image in the second scene. And let's erase the ship from the background with Clone Stamp. Okay, let's see. Very well.
You can add keys and animate.
Add position keys and rotation along Y. Let's create some movement. And rotate. Move left.
So let's pre-render.
There's our ship moving. We can also animate the camera. Pre-render again. See how it looks. Not too bad, right? Of course, for more realism, we should animate water, add shadow under the ship, and so on. But since it's an independent object tutorial, we can't really go through all these steps in here. Anyway, let's see the result. Okay, next example.
Here I did the same. I created a car model and applied independent object to it. But here I animated the car using null object to create the path. I also added shadow using black solid with a mask and linked them to the same null object. Look, this is just a 3D solid. And here is a mask with mask feather applied.
There it is. Same thing here. We have an animated wagon, and it's made in exactly the same way as the previous ones. So this is a group model with an independent object applied to it. And if we take a look from custom view, we can make sure that it's not a flat image, but it's actually a 3D object. Let's see how it goes. All right, that's all you need to know about independent object.